So that was us creating our very first question in Qualtrics. As I said, there are many question types and every question has a lot of options. I will go over a few basic and often used question types now, but you might also, if you want to use specific types of questions, need to experiment a little bit in Qualtrics yourself or look on Google, the World Wide Web, and figure out what's most appropriate for your survey. Now, the multiple choice question is probably one of the most often used questions, and it's nice and controlled because people have a select number of options that they can choose, giving you quantitative data that you can process. If we want to change this question in a different type of question, we can click here in the left side of the menu and a bunch of other questions appear. What's nice with Qualtrics is if you hover over these options, Qualtrics shows you how such a question would look. So this already gives you a quite reasonable idea of what you could expect from these questions. Now further down, you can see other options. So the multiple choice question allows you to do different kind of things. For example, you could say we will allow multiple answers. And you can see that the dots, the circles have changed into little boxes. I'll show you now how that looks for a candidate. Here you go. And now a person can check multiple boxes.